simple doesn't mean boring. These minimal hairstyles prove that less really can be more. 1. Sleek middle-parted bob. A chin-length, glass-finish bob with a crisp middle part that flatters oval and heart-shaped faces, perfect for a polished everyday style. 2. Low textured bun. This low-set bun with softly pulled-back strands works beautifully for professionals or brides seeking subtle elegance. 3. Tucked behind-ear lob. A blunt lob worn straight and tucked neatly behind the ear saddle for sharp jawlines and a clean, minimalist vibe. 4. Barely there waves. Subtle, soft waves on medium-length hair offer movement without volume, great for fine-haired women wanting easy texture. 5. Sleek low ponytail. This smooth ponytail sits low at the nape, suited for round or oval faces, and pairs well with turtlenecks or structured looks. 6. Center-parted straight hair. Long, center-parted hair with a flat iron finish enhances symmetry, perfect for square and round faces. 7. Minimal French twist. A modern, looser version of the classic twist style for formal minimalists who want timeless elegance without stiffness. 8. Blunt micro bob. A jaw-length bob cut razor-sharp for bold minimalists with strong facial features, ultra-modern and easy to maintain. 9. Polished pixie cut. Short sides with a sleek top. This pixie frames the face neatly and works well for angular bone structures. N. Shoulder-length blunt cut. A mid-length, no-layer cut that emphasizes hair health and works well with thick, straight hair types. 11. Loose Low Chignon. A softly pinked chignon that's easy to recreate, making it perfect for weddings or everyday chic. 12. Minimal side part ponytail. A low ponytail with a deep side part gives a subtle asymmetrical elegance, perfect for rounder face shapes. 13. Soft wispy bangs with straight hair. These airy bangs soften long, pin straight hair, great for balancing larger foreheads or angular features. 14. Silky straight blunt bangs. Bold yet simple. Blunt bangs with glossy straight lengths highlight the eyes and suit oval and long faces. 15. Half-up minimal twist. A simple twist pinned at the back crown leaves the rest of the hair down, idle for low-key feminine vibes.